give you somewhat of a sense of scale as to how big the colony was getting by the time 1636 rolls around and they built this mill here.
Here, or well, the gear room, more like it. Upstairs is the grinding room. The idea of the gears here is to transfer power from the water wheel outside to our grinding stones upstairs. So everything is disengaged or basically unplugged right now. But so yeah, so that's how you get
So I'm just taking the grits, pouring them through a funnel. The grits are heavier, so they're falling down, but the hulls, the papery skin, is getting blown out.
Oh,
So,
wow.
yeah, so that's what's happening here.